Good day, everyone. My name is Prince, but I am not a prince. My title is Bigger. I am a kid. Everybody calls me Kim Big. I like big things. I like to sit on my big bed. I like to run in my big castle. I like to eat a big bowl of ice cream. One day I got a big idea. If big things are good, bigger things are better. So I have a bigger bed, a bigger castle, and I always want a bigger bowl of ice cream now. Today is my birthday, and I got a gift. Look at this, what a big sword it is. It's really cool. I'm good at this trick. Let me show you how brilliantly it works. Oh no, it's heavy. It's super heavy because it's too big. Ouch! My foot, it really hurts. I want to take a rest on my bed. Oh no, my castle is huge. My bed is far away from here. It will take me a long time to get to my bed, and I'm very tired now. Bigger is not better, but it would be wonderful if I could get a bigger trophy now. Sometimes bigger is still better. Thank you.
Thank you, Prince.